Question number 22 is a variation of a para completion. This was a question that was introduced in CAT 22, or rather I'd say as a concept it was reintroduced, although as a variation of para completion, this was the first time when we saw this in the CAT. So in this particular question, we were given a sentence followed by a paragraph, and we were asked for the correct location to insert that sentence. Is it location 1, location 2, location 3, or location 4? Right. So if I read this sentence and the paragraph, I know that this given sentence cannot come before the introduction of the new deal. Right. So when you say in theory this would lead to better availability of British goods, you'd like to talk about this deal first. It's only then that you talk about the benefits or the advantages. So first is ruled out. Now if I look at the next two sentences, the sentence that is before the blank and the sentence that comes after the blank, read it carefully and you'd realize that these form a mandatory pair. Both of these give you an idea that must stay together. So you would not like to put anything at blank number 2. Now that leaves us with 3 and 4. So check. If there is a customs border between Northern Ireland and the UK, then it cannot lead to a better availability of the British goods in the Northern Ireland, isn't it? Right? See this? A border, after all, will be a separation. It will be an additional barrier. So it cannot lead to better availability of British goods. So if I put in at location 3, it logically makes no sense, and therefore even this goes, and thus the only place that we are left with is place 4. So if I were given this MCQ, I'd have no hesitation in choosing 4 as my answer in the exam.